Also, it's very straightforward, so it's clear. If you want to operate an irrigation facility using X-ray, get an FDA license to operate. So I think that's clear. But maybe in other, I share your pain, maybe in other regulatory agencies, it's not really streamlined. So maybe direct regulators are fine, but when it comes to, say, agri or fruits or others, like it's not clear cut. So maybe that's where we hope that enabling and proactive regulations can be in place to, for example, chicken feed. I don't think there's any regulation saying anything on chicken feed. It's silence, but maybe if it's clear that you can do chicken feed at certain conditions, it may promote it. So maybe that's where it comes.
Actually, it's a policy. Policy is the main question here.
Maybe enabling policies.